Hello, welcome to this. Can you tell it's morning? Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me again for this video. Today I'm going to show you how I do, basically like I need to be ready in like 10 minutes and I gotta be at the door makeup. So my hair's a mess because I washed it last night and I went to sleep with it wet. I'm wearing my boyfriend's t-shirt. Why? Because this is real life and this is what I look like in the morning. So first things first, I mixed my moisturizer by Formula 1006 with the Cover FX drops in sunlight. Barely a drop. And put some of my moisturizer on it. And I'm going to mix that together using my finger. Then I'm going to scrape it off the back of my hand and rub it between my fingers. And apply this all over my face. My face is already clean, by the way. You always have to start with a clean face. Then we're going to move on to eyes. And I always wear SPF on my eyes. I'm using the Clinique Superdefense Age Defense Eye Cream. This has SPF 20, which is why I like it. So I get a tiny amount, really just the tiniest amount. I rub it between my two middle fingers and apply it to my under eye. Then I get a little more. That's probably too much. And then I put this on my eyelids. Alright, then I go in with the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. I just dip my finger in there and put it on my under eyes. Then I'm going to take the tiniest bit of concealer using the Tarte Shape Tape. But since there's so much on the wand, I'm going to put some on my finger. Like barely any. And tap it and then apply it. And then I can bring it down a little bit into my cheeks. Then I'm going to highlight. I'm going to use a highlight by ColourPop. It's called Lunch Money. So I'll just swirl my finger in there. And then highlight the places where I normally would highlight anyway. All I'm trying to do is look like I put effort into getting ready when I really didn't. And I want to give my skin that like glowy, wet look. Put some under my brow bone. Obviously I'm doing this really messy. You don't have to be super precise. And then we're almost done. Just gonna do quick eyebrows and mascara. So I don't want my eyebrows to be super dark, just a little bit more colored in than they normally are. So I brush them up. I draw a line towards the end. I fill in like any little bald spots I might have. And that's pretty much it. So that's it for eyebrows. I just wanted something a little more natural and more that looks more put together. Then I'm going to go in with brow gel to lock them in place. Next up, I'm going to put some mascara on. Again, the only mascara I use, L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes. I'm not doing a ton of mascara because I'm going to go in with false lashes. Just because for me it's easier. And I'm going to use the NYX Wicked Lashes, the Wispies. So you hold your lashes with tweezers, you put your lash glue on, And you wait at least 30 seconds.
I'm glad. Hopefully the machine can take that full load.
Oh my god.
Alexa, turn off the light.
Okay, so using a handheld mirror, looking down into my mirror, placing the lash in the center, then using the tweezers to grab both ends and place them down. Alright, that looks like it's stuck on there finally. So all I do is I tap my brush into cocoa and black truffle and back and forth to create kind of like a dark brown color. I used an angled brush like this to apply it as close to my waterline as possible. And then I put this color on top of the lash band. Then I'm going to apply mascara. And then to my bottom lashes. Then I'm going to put a little bit of blush on just to look a little more alive. And using NARS Orgasm with my blush brush, just going to dip it very lightly. And in soft circular motions, I'm going to put this on my cheeks. Just like that, just to have a little bit of color on my cheeks, a little bit of life, to look a little more awake. Alright, so I took a shower, I did my hair, all I did was kind of wet it a little bit, and I put some coconut oil in it, and it creates this like wet, just washed my hair look, and then my hair takes its own shape, which is kind of like wavy. And that's all I'm doing to my hair. I'll probably end up picking it up when I'm out anyway. Then I'm going to put some lip balm on. And that's it for the face. So now it's time to get dressed. I'm going to throw on some jeans. These are some Levi's skinny jeans, which are super comfortable, with a basic black tee. I'm going to throw on a cool jacket just to make the outfit a little more dressy. And it's a little chilly out, so a light jacket is perfect. Put some perfume on. Put some cool sunglasses on. Some simple, comfortable flats. And that's it. I'm good to go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, just put a load in. You gonna put this in the bloopers?
Just you saying put a load in.
What?
Nothing. Thanks for putting a load in.